TikTok is back online, but its ultimate fate in America still lies in Trump's hands. New York CNN. TikTok is now accessible again in the United States. Just how long that lasts will likely depend on incoming President Donald Trump. TikTok restored access for American users midday on Sunday after a whirlwind 14 hours during which the app temporarily shut itself down. TikTok credited Trump for bringing the app back, after he pledged to sign an executive order to delay enforcement of the law that had required the app to spin off from its China-based parent company, ByteDance, or be banned as of Sunday. "I will issue an executive order on Monday to extend the period of time before the law's prohibitions take effect, so that we can make a deal to protect our national security," Trump said in a Truth Social post Sunday. He added that he would not hold TikTok's technology partners, including Apple, Google, and cloud computing company Oracle, liable for continuing to make the app available until he signed the order. "It was that reassurance that he wouldn't fine its tech partners," TikTok said, "that allowed it to bring back us users access."